folks, I have a mini 5-string to show you today. This is number 857. It's all curly walnut and pistachio. I originally intended these instruments to be up at C tuning, like a banjo capoed at the 5th fret. But most folks nowadays, they seem to want these, even though it's a smaller instrument, tuned like their regular 5-string banjo. So I put this heavier string set on it and set it up a little different for that. And it's really useful, I think, for folks who want it as a travel instrument or a couch instrument, or people with hand and arm and shoulder problems. The littler size is a real benefit. So for this one, all the curly walnuts from here in the Hood River Valley, mostly stuff. I think this one is all stuff from the D mill. And the pistachios from California orchards. I picked some nice kind of multicolored, stripy looking pistachio. Goatskin head, little walnut pistachio bridge. And like I said, this has got the low G tuning on it. Sorry, low G. That's like ukulele. I mean, open G tuning. And I find myself, whenever I pick one of these up, it takes a few moments for me to take my motions and body use stuff down to the smaller size. If I try to hit it harder like a big banjo, it doesn't respond well. But when you like reset your body and mind to fit this size, I get so much sound out of it. But it takes me a few minutes to get my motions kind of, dialed in for this. Yeah, it's great. So yeah, 857, ready to go. Cheers.